Introduction to Canva Mobile.
Canva is a popular free design tool available on mobile devices. With Canva, you can easily add custom text to your photos using user-friendly features. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step for overlaying text on images, so you can create eye-catching visuals right from your phone without any design experience.
Getting started. Download and open Canva.
Begin by downloading the Canva app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and either sign in or create a free account. Once logged in, tap the plus icon or create a design. Then select the type of project you want, like an Instagram post or custom size, to start a new design.
Uploading your photo.
To add your photo, tap the Uploads option at the bottom of the screen. Choose a photo from your device gallery, then tap it to add it to your canvas. You can resize or reposition the photo as needed to fit your desired layout before adding text.
Adding and customizing text.
Tap the Text button, then select a preset style or tap Add a little bit of body text for a blank text box. Edit your text by tapping inside the box to type your message. You can change the font, color, size, alignment, and even add effects like shadows or outlines using the toolbar below.
Final adjustments and saving.
Move and resize the text box by dragging it with your finger. Adjust the layers if needed so your text is visible over the image. When you're satisfied, tap the download or share icon at the top right and select your preferred format, like PNG or JPG, to save the edited photo to your device or share it directly.